Okay, so in this video we're going to go over creating your repository in GitHub. You should have been invited to the class repository and accepted that invitation. So if you go to github.com /J4502-FS19, then you will be in the class repository. So once you've done that, and make sure you're there and not on your own profile. Make sure you're in this class repository. You want to click on New, and this will take you over to creating your new repository. So here you're going to see, double check this owner, make sure it's J4502-FS19. You're going to do your repository name. My request is that you do your first name, last name, either all one word or with a hyphen between. Please do it with all lowercase letters. Everything in code works better with all lowercase. So in this case, I'm going to do Elizabeth class just to make this different for my purposes. You'll make it public and you'll want to initialize this repository with a README. All those things are checked. Make sure everything works. Create repository. And now you're in your repository. So it's J4502-FS19/Elizabeth-class. And that would be whatever you were calling it. So since I own this one, then I can control the settings. So I'm going to go to settings here. And this is how I make sure that it will publish and I can get a live link. So I scroll down to GitHub pages, so almost to the bottom, and the source. So this is telling it where to find your website content. So we are going to do master branch. And once you've done this, then you get the hyperlink to your site. So I want you to copy this link when you do this. And when you go back to your code, you can drop this directly in your README. So I clicked on my README, I'm going to edit that file, and I'm just going to do a return and paste that link in there. Commit my changes, that's the word for save in GitHub is commit, so commit my changes here. And now I have my link that's readily accessible. You will need this link every time you turn in an assignment for your individual site. If I click that, then there's really nothing there, but it does exist, and that's the link I'm always going to want to use when I'm turning in content on Canvas for assignments. So that's how you build the repository in GitHub. In the next video, we'll review how to clone that into GitHub Desktop.